Hi, my name is Randy Collins. I'm retired. Wife and I decided we needed some extra room. It's pretty simple. I wanted to have an area to keep my toys. I've got a couple cars and some other little things, and I wanted to have a little workshop. The 30 by 40, after I measured the size of my cars, the vehicles, and things that I wanted to keep in it, and my little workshop, the 30 by 40 was the appropriate size. First, I love the steel building. You don't have to worry about painting it. The design is clean, it's simple, it looks nice. It can be put almost anywhere. Building of it is fast and simple. Overall appearance when it's done is great. And one of the key issues is maintenance. You have zero maintenance for the rest of your life on it. And from my perspective, that's a great advantage. I looked on the internet. I was searching for 2 years, and you were one of the companies that I found. I could go in and visit with somebody face to face. The pricing was great. I liked the structure. I got an immediate response where I was transferred to someone that could assist me right away. The personnel were very helpful in explaining the different aspects of it, and that's why I went with Great Western.